The cries of fear mixed with the sound of gunfire have shocked and terrified Cambodians across the country, especially civilians living near the border. The heavy gunfire is a clear sign that war is beginning, sparked by the Siamese. Thousands of Cambodian families have evacuated in fear, leaving their homes with no food, and saying goodbye to their fathers, mothers, brothers and sisters, and spouses in the desperate bid to protect the country. The sound of crying fills their homes as they pray for peace and hope that there will be no war. Even after reaching safe places, their hearts remain troubled.
Lý số cái phơi smart cô luôn là nát thế mà cái phơi cái phơi này tao có nhâm xăm cô yun cái lực đai tập cái xăm cô yun cái gì rửa một cái thiệt cái lỗ
mà giờ chơi này sao nó thiệt cái lỗ
chà tao có chữ là xong ngày còn khơi nhập đợt rồi cả chữ chập đây kia vô từ đây liên biên từ đây Khmerแต่ขยำบอกตึกใดขมายนึงเต้าขยำรัวตะดอยนา
The sound of gunfire continued daily, showing no signs of stopping, and shortages persist. The bravery of our army lives in the hearts of all Cambodians. We remember and express gratitude to our leaders, Prime Minister Manet and Samdech Techo for their efforts in seeking peace for our nation. I am truly proud to have witnessed the sacrifices, results, and tireless commitment of these leaders. Please continue to support and donate foods and supplies for the refugees suffering from the Siamese invasion.